education starts a man will determine his future life by Plato. Good day. Presenting the overview of the implementation of Alternative Delivery Mode or ADM for school year 2018 to 2023 by the Schools Division of Condon City, Dr. Ricardo Gacula Memorial National High School. To save vulnerable student populations, including teenage pregnant, differently abled, abused, students at risk of dropping out or SARLO, and learners at risk of failing, the Dr. Ricardo Gacula Memorial National High School started to implement the Alternative Delivery Mode or ADM as a school intervention program last school year 2022 to 2023. Alternative Delivery Mode or ADM in education plays an important role in providing support and ensuring continued learning for learners who are pregnant, persons with disabilities or PWD, those at risk of dropping out, and learners at risk of failing. ADM offers flexibility, accommodation, and tailored approaches to meet the diverse needs of these learners. Presenting the roadmap showing the process of application, assessment, and admission of ADM learners in the school. First, identification of learners who need intervention by the advisors. Advisors assess students' academic performance, attendance, behavior, and individual circumstances to identify those who may qualify from ADM due to challenges such as academic struggles, health issues, or personal problems. Second, admission of learners and conduct of learners and parents orientation on ADM. Once identified, learners are admitted to ADM and orientation sessions are conducted for both learners and parents to familiarize them with ADM process. Third, scheduling of learners who will undergo ADM. After orientation, a schedule is created to allocate specific time for ADM learning session, including distribution, retrieval, and guided learning or teacher's intervention and control through text, online, or call or TikTok. Fourth, distribution of ADM modules, activity sheets, and other learning resources. ADM School Coordinator distributes ADM modules, activity sheets, and other learning resources to facilitate learning. Lastly, progress monitoring of students under ADM. Continuous monitoring of students' progress in the conducted by advisors, subject teachers, and ADM coordinator through students' individual learning monitoring plan. And that is the process of application, assessment, and admission of ADM learners in Dr. Ricardo Gacula Memorial National High School. In the implementation of Alternative Delivery Mode or ADM, various learning resources are utilized to facilitate effective learning experiences. These resources are designed to cater the diverse learning styles, accessibility needs, and preferences of learners, which include printed ADM modules, learning resources or LRs from SDO Canton City Online Learning Resource Hub or OLRH, and recorded lessons or audio-visual lessons of teacher from Dr. Ricardo Gacula Memorial National High School as part of DRG MNHS Project OTG. The School ADM Technical Working Group is a team within Dr. Ricardo Gacula Memorial National High School tasked of planning, implementing, and overseeing the ADM program. It is chaired by the School Principal 4, Annalyn G. Galanto, assisted by the Head Teacher 3, Justin G. Vallejos, the School ADM Coordinator, Mrs. Edna G. Raso, the Junior High School and Senior High School Advisors and Teachers, and Laila D. Dasalia, Administrative Assistant 2, Support Staff. The DRGMNHS ADM Technical Working Group collaborates to develop, implement, and evaluate the successful implementation of ADM. Presenting the number of ADM learners in DRG MNHS. For school year 2022 to 2023, there are 2 students under ADM, one in grade 11 and one in grade 12. For the current school year 2023 to 2024, there are 5 students under ADM, one in grade 7, 2 in grade 9, one in grade 11, and one in grade 12. For the implementation of ADM in DRGM-NHS, 37 school personnel work collaboratively in its implementation, composed of 1 school principal 4, 1 head teacher 3, 20 junior high school teachers, 8 senior high school teachers, 1 school nurse, 1 administrative assistant, 1 administrative aide, 2 security guards, and 2 LSP utility. Here is the sample class program and individual learning monitoring plan or ILMP of ADM learners. As part of the school innovation, DRGMNHS conducted Project OTG or Offline Teaching Guided Learning to supplement alternative delivery mode. With the SLMs and the MELCs as guides, teachers prepared recorded lessons through audio videos and slide presentations. Each recorded lesson had at most 15 minutes of playing time. This was used as a supplementary material for ADM learners. Learners were provided with OTG USB devices containing the ADM modules, SLMs, activity sheets, and recorded materials. Teachers supported this with their weekly TikTok or teachers intervention and control through text, online, or call to make it a guided learning experience for the learners. Presenting the DRG MNHS ADM Learner Success Stories. First, Jenny Rose Graviles, grade 12 general academic strand, experienced teenage pregnancy at the age of 17. Through ADM for the first semester of school year 2022-2023, Jenny Rose was able to finish her studies and graduate. Now, she is planning to enroll in college. Second, James Hernando, grade 11 TVL horticulture student, met a vehicular accident last June 2023 at the age of 17. James had a fracture on his legs resulting to difficulty in mobility. Through ADM for 1 month, he was able to continue his studies and got promoted to grade 12. He will graduate this coming May 2024. For this school year, 3 students are currently under ADM due to early pregnancy, 1 student due to personal problems, family conflict, and 1 student due to personal problem, death of a parent. They are monitored by the school ADM coordinator, advisors, and subject teachers. Through ADM, learners have hope to finish and got promoted with their studies. Implementing the Alternative Delivery Mode or ADM in Dr. Ricardo Gacula Memorial National High School offers accessibility, flexibility, and inclusivity, catering the diverse students' needs and ensuring continuity of learning in various circumstances of the Gaculanians. And that is the overview of the implementation of Alternative Delivery Mode or ADM for school year 2018 to 2023 by the school's division of Candon City, Dr. Ricardo Gacula Memorial National High School. Thank you for listening and God bless us all.